Hey guys! Choosing the best binoculars can be overwhelming, but don't worry. I have curated a list of the absolute best options available on the market right now. Product number 1. Occer 12 by 25 Compact Binoculars for Adults. Kicking off our list at number 1, I have an incredible option that has been making massive waves recently. I am talking about the Occer 12 by 25 Compact Binoculars for Adults. It boasts an incredibly practical yet sophisticated design that is built to withstand everyday wear and tear. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. Its highly efficient nature quietly saves you effort in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 2. Hontry 10 by 25 Compact Binoculars for Adults. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Hontry 10 by 25 Compact Binoculars for Adults. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with everyday sturdiness. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive time saver thanks to its highly intuitive design. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes using it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent adjustments. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 3. POLDR 12 by 25 Small Pocket Binoculars Compact. Now, I want to turn your attention to a truly magnificent item that is a massive fan favorite. I am talking about the POLDR 12 by 25 Small Pocket Binoculars Compact. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. One of my favorite aspects is the sheer simplicity of its interface, brilliantly masking the sophisticated technology underneath. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 4. Bushnell Falcon 10 by 50 Wide-Angle Binoculars. Sliding into the next spot is a wonderfully crafted device that you are going to love. I am talking about the Bushnell Falcon 10 by 50 Wide-Angle Binoculars. The overall build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling your daily tasks with absolute ease and zero hassle. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Few options can confidently offer this specific level of comprehensive excellence without draining your savings. Product number 5. Dranbol 12 by 25 Mini Pocket Binoculars for Adults Kids. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the Dranbol 12 by 25 Mini Pocket Binoculars for Adults Kids. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. Diving into functionality, You will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly nature that puts you completely in charge. You can confidently trust this to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Hopefully, you now have a better idea of which product to choose. Don't forget to check the links in the description and subscribe.